Facing trouble with your Turtle Beach 700 Gen 2 headset not turning on? This is a common issue many users encounter. In this video, I'll walk you through several troubleshooting steps to help resolve this problem, ensuring your headset powers up and gets back to functioning properly. When your Turtle Beach 700 Gen 2 headset isn't working, the first signs are usually quite clear. Often, there's no light to indicate it's charging, and pressing the power button doesn't do anything. No beeps, no lights, nothing. This can be puzzling, especially if your headset was fine the last time you used it. Let's start with the basics. First, make sure your charging cable and power source are in good working order. Try using the cable with another device to confirm it's charging properly. If there's no issue there, focus on the headset itself. Ensure it's been charging for a few hours, as sometimes a deeply discharged battery needs more time to start showing signs of life. To reset your headset, find the mode button and the Bluetooth button. Press and hold both simultaneously for about 20 seconds. This forced reboot can fix minor glitches that might be preventing the headset from turning on. The mode button usually adjusts settings, and the Bluetooth button helps connect to devices. Holding these together is crucial for a complete reset. If the headset still doesn't respond after trying these solutions, it's important to attempt the reset once more. Hold down the mode and Bluetooth buttons for about 20 seconds. This step often requires patience and precise timing, so ensure you're counting slowly. If the reset still doesn't solve the problem, connect the headset to your computer. First, ensure you have the Turtle Beach Audio Hub downloaded and installed on your PC or laptop. Open the Audio Hub and look for the option to restore the headset's firmware. Click on this option and allow the software to guide you through the restoration process. This might be just what your headset needs to start functioning again. For a more comprehensive reset, you can try holding down the power button, mode button, and Bluetooth button simultaneously for a few seconds. This method can sometimes trigger a system reset that standard procedures don't, offering another chance to get your headset working properly. If the previous method didn't work, try this approach to address the issue with your headset not turning on. Begin by simultaneously pressing and holding the mode and Bluetooth buttons. Without releasing these, add the power button to the mix, holding all three together for at least 10 seconds. Next, click and release the mode and Bluetooth buttons together, followed by a separate click and release of the power button. Continue this pattern, alternating between pressing the mode and Bluetooth set and then the power button repeatedly until the headset shows signs of life. Remember, if the headset's battery might be low, keep it connected to a charger during this process to ensure it has enough power. That's it for the video. I hope these steps helped you solve the issue with your Turtle Beach 700 Gen 2 headset not turning on. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tech tips. Also, if you have any questions or additional tips that worked for you, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.